Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about using scoring inside the survey workflow app inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also check out the description section as well, as there's some really great resources that you could use. So let's jump in. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side under apps, and then we're going to go over to survey workflows. And then we're going to add new survey workflow, and then we're going to call this survey workflow scoring test. And then we're going to click create survey workflow. And just to take a step back and just explain scoring. So basically what you could do is you could give someone a list of questions, and based off of the answers that they pick, you could associate or have a numerical value associated with it. So after they go through the quiz, they'll have a score at the end, and then based off of the score, you could direct them to maybe like a different funnel or a different offer, and then that way they could get what they need and have it be more of like a tailored experience to the customer. And so for this first one, we're going to do a question type of input, and we're just going to put, what is your name? And then we're going to click Save Changes. And then we're going to add a question. And so for this is where we're going to start using scoring. So for this first question, we'll say, how confident are you with funnel building? And then right here, we're going to enable this. So we're going to enable scoring, and then we're going to click add answers. So here we're going to create our answer options, and then we're going to have a score associated with that answer option. So for this first one, we'll say very confident, and then a score of 5. Then add answer, we'll put somewhat confident with a score of 3. And then we'll put not confident with a score of 1. And then we're going to click Save Changes. So that's our first question that we have with scoring. And then we're going to let's add another question. So for this one, we'll say, how confident are you with design? And then we're going to enable scoring. Then we're going to click add answers, and we're just going to use the same answer options. You don't have to do it like this way, but for purposes of this demo, we're just going to use the same answer option. So we're going to click very confident, score of 5, somewhat confident with a score of 3, and then not confident with a score of 1, and click Save Changes. So we're going to keep on this theme of funnel building and whatnot. So we're going to click add question. And then for this one, we're going to say, how confident are you with driving traffic to your funnel? Then enable scoring. And then for this one, we're going to add answer options. So same ones, very confident with a score of 5, somewhat confident with a score of 3, and then not confident with a score of 1. So we have our 3 questions with scoring. How confident are you with funnel building? How confident are you with design? How confident are you with driving traffic to your funnel? So at this point, we're going to start adding splits. So based off of the scoring or the answers that a person goes through for this quiz, we're going to start adding basically redirects. So we're going to redirect him to a specific offer or specific funnel. So I added a split. So for this one, we're going to edit the rule. We're going to add a rule, and we're going to say when score. And for this part, we're going to say when score is, let's say, greater than 9. So basically 10 or above. We're going to click save. And then we're going to change target, and we're going to do redirect. and then click this. And so for this, we're going to do a URL redirect. So there's 3 different types: page, funnel, and URL. So you could have them redirect to a specific page, specific funnel, or specific URL. So for this one, we're just going to use the funnel builder secrets. Click Save Changes. And then we're going to click this plus button again. We're going to add split. And then we're going to edit the rule. We're going to add a rule. So we're going to do score. So for this one, we're going to say when score is less than or equal to 9. And then we're actually going to do two rules for this one. So we're going to go back. We're going to edit rule. And then we're going to say when score is greater than 3. So basically it captures that like middle section. So we have the high end. If it's 10 or above, then we have one where if it's 4 to 9, using that greater than, and then less than and equal to. And so for this one, we're going to change the target, change it to redirect, click submit, click this again. And then we're going to still use URL redirect. And for this one, we're going to use the Sell an Online Challenge. So we're going to click Save. And so we're going to do our last one. So we're going to click this plus button. We're going to add a split. Okay, let's click refresh. Go down here. Okay. So we're going to click add rule. And then add a rule. So we're going to do score. And then when the score is less than or equal to 3, we're going to click save. And then we're going to change the target. Instead of end survey, we're going to do redirect, click submit. And then we're going to do redirect. And for this one, we'll do the one funnel away challenge. So here's the one funnel away challenge, and click save changes. So here we have our quiz. So we have what's their name, and then they go through the quiz with the scoring, and then based off of the scoring, they get redirected to a specific URL or specific offer. And so why don't we actually go over to a funnel. And so we'll do this test survey funnel. We'll hook up that survey workflow that we were working on. We'll just select survey. So it's this first one right here. We're going to click save. And then let's click preview. So for this one, what is your name? We'll just put test. And then how confident are you with funnel building? We'll say very confident. How confident are you with design? We'll say very confident. And then how confident are you with driving traffic to your funnel? We'll say very confident. So by answering very confident with all 3 of these questions, and I signed very confident of a score of 5, so it's going to bring me to 15. So with that score of 15, it's going to take me to that funnel builder secret offer. And so we're going to click next. And it takes me to this offer right here. So that is how you are able to use scoring inside of your survey workflow app. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and comment below as well.